Hello, this is Dr. Young, and I am going to go over your week 6 work. And this will be quick because you don't have another paper to write this week. Next week we're going to do team assignments. But this week, we're going to do discussion and a quiz. I'm a little sleepy tonight. Sorry about that. You get to watch a YouTube video this week. It's about it's an ex-HR executive that talks about things that have happened, and you're going to actually discuss the gender issues. Describe at least 2 situations that occur in the workplace in which women face unethical treatment. This is not going to be hard to find. And then discuss what human resource professionals and managers can do to better enforce ethical treatment of women in the workplace. And, this is a very common, you could find a million cases of, discrimination and poor treatment of women in the workplace. But, I do think it's getting better, but, of course, I want you to look at it from a perspective of being an HR person and tell me, I want you to identify 2 scenarios. The majority of this is going to be, what would you do about it? How would you prevent these kind of things from happening? That's what I want you to focus on. And that's the same thing as for all discussions. If you're I'll go back to that in a minute, but week 6 quiz, there's a quiz. It's on chapters 5, 6, and 9. So you're going to need to go back and review those chapters and make sure that you're very familiar with the material in them. So that's it, really. But I want to just remind you, when I'm grading, I'm using this. I don't know if it'll come up. Hello, where'd you go? I have a slow computer. Apparently. Grading guidelines, I'm using these. This is the discussion. Basically, I just calculate 70% and 15, depending on what the maximum points are, because they vary a little bit. I think sometimes they're 5 points different. So, but that's what I'm using right here. So that's really all there is to it. It's a little bit of a slow week, I guess, if you consider. Next week is going to be a little bit more chaotic. Early in the week, I'll be assigning teams, probably on, I was going to say Monday, but I might do it earlier. I probably will do it earlier. But that's what's going to go. Next week is the beginning of the team assignment. So I'll be posting more information about that. If you have any questions or concerns, let me know, and I'll be happy to assist you. And I look forward to seeing the discussion this week about this, about this topic, because it's definitely something that many people have been personally affected by in my classes. So feel free to talk about any situations that you may have experienced. I have experienced harassment myself, so when I was younger. So anyway, let's have a great week, and look forward to hearing from you in the discussion.